Hello my little astronomers. Today I'll be talking about Lanaikea. If you find that you learned something new from this video, then like this video, subscribe and hit the notification bell. You can also let me know what other astronomy topics you would like to learn about in the comments section. Well, now that we got that out of the way, let's dive into today's topic. Buckle up little ones. The Lanaikea cluster is a massive group of galaxies located in the constellation of Leo, approximately 300 million light-years away from Earth. The cluster is one of the largest known clusters of galaxies in the universe and is comprised of a multitude of galaxies, including some of the brightest and most massive galaxies ever discovered. This cluster is an important part of the cosmological picture as it helps scientists to understand the formation and evolution of the universe. The Lanaikea cluster was discovered in 1988 by an international team of astronomers who were studying the motion of galaxies in the nearby Virgo cluster. The team noticed that a group of galaxies seemed to be moving away from the Virgo cluster, and further investigation revealed that the galaxies were actually part of a much larger, more distant cluster. Initially, the cluster was known as the Virgo-Leo supercluster, but it was later named Lanaikea, which is Hawaiian for immeasurable heaven. The Lanaikea cluster is a massive cluster of galaxies, containing at least 100 galaxies, including the two largest and most massive galaxies ever discovered, IC 1101 and NGC 4889. These two galaxies have a combined mass of over 1 trillion solar masses, and they are located near the center of the cluster. Along with these two galaxies, the cluster contains many other galaxies, including some of the most luminous and active galaxies in the universe. Don't forget to leave a like on this video. The cluster also contains a variety of other objects, including several quasars, which are extremely bright and distant objects powered by supermassive black holes. The cluster also contains several clusters of galaxies, which are groups of galaxies that are gravitationally bound together. These clusters of galaxies are important for studying the evolution of galaxies, as well as for understanding the properties of dark matter, which is thought to make up most of the mass of the universe. The Lanaikea cluster is an important part of the cosmological picture as it provides researchers with a wealth of information about the structure and evolution of the universe. For example, by studying the distribution of galaxies within the cluster, astronomers can learn more about the formation and evolution of galaxies. Additionally, by studying the motions of galaxies within the cluster, astronomers can learn more about the properties of dark matter, which is thought to make up most of the mass in the universe. The cluster also provides astronomers with a unique opportunity to study the evolution of galaxies. By studying the properties of galaxies within the cluster, astronomers can learn about how galaxies evolve over time, as well as how they interact with each other. Additionally, by studying the properties of the galaxies in the cluster, astronomers can learn more about the properties of dark matter, which is thought to make up most of the mass in the universe. Overall, the Lanaikea cluster is an important part of the cosmological picture as it provides researchers with a wealth of information about the formation and evolution of galaxies, as well as the properties of dark matter. By studying the properties of galaxies within the cluster, astronomers can gain valuable insights into the structure and evolution of the universe, which can help us to better understand our place in the cosmos. Well, that will be it for today little ones. If you learned something new, leave a like on the video, subscribe. I will be posting quite often since this is a new channel. Please don't be shy to share what you would like to learn about next. Till next time little astronomers, keep looking up at the sky. Bye.